Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a Reddit ads tutorial. In this video we will demonstrate all the steps needed to start an ads campaign on Reddit. We will also show you how to create an account on Reddit ads, and we will also do a walkthrough of the interface. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. Without wasting your precious time, let's dive directly into the topic. After visiting Reddit's home page, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Advertise on Reddit. This is the Reddit ads sign up page. Here you can see three highlights of Reddit ads. First is target your audience. Reach customers where they are most passionate and engaged. Second is meet business goals. Increase brand awareness and drive traffic, conversions, or app installs. And the last one is measure success. Leverage insights to optimize campaigns and drive conversions. Here you will see that Reddit will give you $100 as free ad credits when you sign up with the publisher account. So let's get started with the sign up process. If you already have a Reddit ads account, you can log in from here, or else here enter your email address, then here create a username, and then here create a password, and if there is a reCAPTCHA then solve it, and then finally click on the sign up button. On the next page, you need to set up your Reddit ads account in 3 easy steps. This is the first step. Here enter your first name and then enter your last name here. Next, enter your legal business name. But if you don't have any legal business name, you can use your full name. Next, here enter your business website, and if you don't have a website, just leave it blank. Tick this box if you work with an advertising agency, and then finally click on the next button. This is the second step. You will be asked, what kind of business are you? From the list, you need to pick the industry that fits best. There are almost all kinds of industries here, like retail and e-commerce, education, entertainment, gaming, employment, travel, and much more. Select the industry that suits you the best. Here we are selecting entertainment, and then click on the next button. In the third and the last step, you will be asked, where is your business located? Select your country from this drop-down. If you wish, you can enter your phone number here, but this is optional. Then click on the Finish button and you will then be taken to the page where you can start creating your ads. In the pop-up window here, you will see that as promised before the sign-up process, Reddit is giving you $100 in free ad credit. You have to add a valid credit card and launch your campaign to claim this offer. This offer ends in 1 month and the ads credit expires 30 days after receipt. This offer is limited to 1 per account and is non-transferable. If you want to claim this offer now, then use this Get It Now button or else click on the Maybe Later button. Let's do a walkthrough of the interface. If you click on the plus icon on the top left corner, you will see 3 sections. Under the Advertise section, you can access the Create Campaign, Dashboard, Bulk Import, and Help Center options. Under the Assets section, you can access Audiences, Posts, and Conversions. Under the Accounts section, you can access Members, Billing, Account History, and Inventory Type. On the top right side from here, you can claim your $100 free ads credit, and in the last is your profile icon with your username. Now let's start creating our ad. For your ads to be displayed on the Reddit network, you need to create a campaign for it. You can create your campaign in just 3 steps. The first step is the campaign, in which you need to specify the name, objective, and spending. So let's start. Here, enter the name of the campaign. We are naming it Demonstration. Next, you need to select the objective and define the goal of your campaign. You can select between brand awareness and reach, in which you can increase awareness of your brand or product, and you need to pay for cost per 1,000 impressions. The second is traffic, in which you can drive traffic to your website. You need to pay for cost per click. Third is conversions, in which you can drive valuable actions on your website, you need to pay for cost per click. Fourth is video views, in which you can increase views for your video, and again you need to pay for cost per view. And the last is app installs, in which you can drive installs for your mobile app. You need to pay for cost per click. Select the suitable objective for your case. We are continuing with brand awareness and reach. Next is the spending section, in which you need to select your payment method. Click on the select button and in the pop-up window, you will see all the payment methods available. This depends on your country. In our case, we only have one option, that is credit card. So we are selecting it and then click on the save button. And finally, click on the continue button at the bottom right corner. Now the second step is add group, in which you need to specify details, audience, placements and delivery. Here enter the add group name, and your add group name is what will show up in the reporting interface. We are entering product demonstration. Now you need to select the audience. If you have already saved your audience from a previous ads campaign, you can select it from this saved audience tab, or else select the audience type from this drop-down menu. You can choose between Reddit audience, pixel retargeting, custom audience, and engagement retargeting. We are selecting Reddit audience. Now you have to select the interest from the given categories. This is a very important section. After selecting any category, you will see its estimates in the right side, which will show the audience size, impressions, and clicks. So select the interests very carefully. Next are communities, locations, and exclude custom audience. These are all optional. Next, select the device types on which your ads will be shown. Then specify the placements of your ads. Then comes the delivery section, in which you need to specify your budget. Enter it here and then click on the continue button. This is the third step. Here enter the ad name. We are entering makeup. Next is the creative section. Here you need to select the post type. You can select between image, video, carousel, and text. We are continuing with image. Here enter the headline. We are entering makeup products on discounts. Now you have to upload an image for your ad. You can browse for it or drag and drop it here. Now enter the destination URL. We are using a pseudo URL, and after entering all the required fields here, you will see your ads preview, which shows your headline, image, and URL. And once you have filled in all the required fields, then click on the review button. Now on the next page here, we can see all the details that we had entered. You need to verify this and double check all the details and then click on the publish button. Now you need to enter your credit card details and you need to make a deposit to start your ads campaign. After doing that, your campaign will start and your ads will start showing on the Reddit network. With this, we have completed our tutorial on Reddit ads. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it has benefited you. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.